In the quiet town of Frostwood, where snow-covered landscapes stretched as far as the eye could see, lived an extraordinary watercolor artist named Evelyn. Her paintings had a magical quality that seemed to bring the scenes to life, and the townspeople often marveled at the enchantment she infused into her artwork. As Christmas approached, Evelyn felt an unusual surge of inspiration. Her studio, tucked away in a charming cottage, became a haven for creativity. One chilly afternoon, as she painted a winter scene filled with kids building snowmen, deer grazing in the moonlit snow, and a majestic Christmas tree adorned with twinkling lights, she felt a sense of anticipation in the air. On Christmas Eve, Frostwood was blanketed in a serene layer of snow. The town square sparkled with decorations, and the laughter of children echoed through the frosty air. As Evelyn put the finishing touches on her Christmas masterpiece, a soft knock on her door interrupted her thoughts. To her surprise, when she opened the door, a group of wide-eyed children stood there, their faces glowing with excitement. They explained that they had seen Evelyn's paintings in the town square, and there was something magical about them. The children believed that Evelyn held the key to bringing their beloved snowman, Frosty, to life for just one night. Intrigued by their innocence and holiday spirit, Evelyn invited the children into her studio. With a twinkle in her eye, she sprinkled a bit of stardust over her painting, and to everyone's amazement, Frosty the Snowman stepped off the canvas into the studio. The children's joy knew no bounds as they danced with Frosty, and Evelyn couldn't help but be swept up in the enchantment. Just as the clock struck midnight, there was a sudden jingling of bells outside the cottage. In walked Santa Claus himself, accompanied by his trusty reindeer. He explained that the magic from Evelyn's paintings had caught his attention at the North Pole. Over a cup of hot cocoa, Santa shared tales of his Christmas Eve journey, and the joy he witnessed in the hearts of children around the world. Santa, sensing Evelyn's generous spirit, presented her with a special gift, a golden paintbrush that held the power to spread happiness through her paintings. With a warm smile, Santa and Frosty bid farewell, leaving Evelyn with a heart full of gratitude. On Christmas morning, the sun bathed Frostwood in a golden glow. Evelyn, inspired by the magical night, created a new masterpiece that captured the joy and wonder of Christmas. Her paintings became cherished symbols of the holiday spirit, spreading happiness and enchantment throughout Frostwood for generations to come. And so, in the heart of Frostwood, Evelyn's art continued to weave tales of magic and merriment, making every Christmas a celebration of wonder and joy.